I'm Alex Akers. You know there's an issue facing many Americans today that concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of America, where everybody knows that the bird is the word.
My God, it's impossible. Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.
Check it out again.
When the bird is a word, when the bird, the bird's a word, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word, when the bird, the bird's a word, when everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a word, when the bird, the bird's a word, when the bird, the bird's a word, when the bird, the bird's a word, when the bird,
Seven.